Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Axis Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in axisbank.com and click on enter. Now you will be redirected to official homepage of Axis Bank. Now at the top right corner you will find login option. Hover to it and select which account you want to log in. Either it's personal account or it's business account or corporate account or NU for corporates. Now click on the option accordingly. After that, type in your login ID and password, and you can select here where do you want to get directly logged in. Also, you can click on this link if you have forgotten your customer ID. And if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to reset your password. Now click on this button to log into your Axis Bank account. And you want to register to Axis Bank, click on this link and you can get a new Axis Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.